How to fix Reddit PostImages not loading. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed, or you can also try airplane mode on or off. Also avoid VPNs or proxies because they can block image servers. Then restart the Reddit app. First close Reddit and reopen. All you have to do is open the Reddit app on your mobile device, swipe up from bottom and close Reddit, and again open it. This clears the temporary glitches and restarts media requests. Now once you do so, go back to the home screen and look for the App Store, and inside App Store tap on the search address bar and search for the Reddit. Then tap on the Reddit, and if you see the update option available, tap on the update and update it to the latest version. Old versions sometimes fail to fetch media after Reddit API updates. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.